In the heart of the vibrant Amazon, a flamboyant parrot named Pablo perched atop the tallest kapok tree, his feathers as dazzling as a carnival. Unbeknownst to his feathered friends, Pablo was not just any parrot, he was the charismatic host of Jungle Jive, the most anticipated forest talk show. Each week, creatures from the farthest reaches of the jungle flocked to Pablo's perch, eager to share tales of their extraordinary lives. From the sloth who dreamed of winning the jungle marathon to the chameleon who painted masterpieces with his skin, every guest brought a unique story. There was the capybara family navigating the challenges of raising quadruplets, and the jaguar who traded his fierce reputation for a peaceful life as a forest healer. As word spread, even the elusive anaconda slithered in, sharing secrets of ancient jungle wisdom. With each interview, Pablo's fame soared, proving that in the world of the wild, everyone has a